Welcome back, all you sexy YouTube nail mother lovers. Kadence here. Welcome to Claws by Kadence. Yes, I have long sleeves on in summer. It's summer in Australia. It's been frickin' freezing here on the mountain. Anyway, today we are doing green and gold chrome nail art. Secretly! Secret time! It was St. Patty's! But we're just gonna go with chrome, because chrome is everywhere. Let's get started. Okay, so as always, not to prime is a crime, so we're going to start with the Gelix primer and the Madam Glam base coat, and then I'm also going to use Madam Glam's Perfect Black. Why, you ask? Because we're using chrome, and for some mysterious scientific reason, chrome looks best on black. I know, right? It's weird. Well, I'll rephrase. Wait, half or quarter cure the top coat. Do not full cure because the chrome won't stick. Quarter cure or half cure depending on the top coat you are using. You will thank me for that advice. It won't stick if it's fully cured. Why? Because science! Anyway, what was I saying about science? Yeah, if you use black, it shows the true colour of the chrome. Clean your pingies once you've chromed. That shit gets everywhere. Foreshadowing. Anyway, why the fuck am I putting base coat on? Well, if you were to chrome and put a top coat straight onto the chrome, you have a shiny surface sticking to a... I'll shut up now. Yeah, this is me shutting up.
Fuck.
Yeah, replay. Feel it. Feel the pain. Oh, God. Oh, torture.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It wasn't fine. Give it the finger and I say, fuck it. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it hard. Anyway, what was I saying? I'm so cranky with it. Right. Right. That shit is everywhere. Everywhere. And it's still everywhere, and boy did I have the shits. So yes, that spilling changed the course of the nails because I was going to do it all nice and in order, but I said, fuck it. I'm going to put all the chrome on, all the nails, all at once. So here we go, slapping that shit on there. Let's talk about the base coat and make us happy. Night long and I don't even know the words to that fucking song. That was embarrassing, wasn't it? But no, I'm committed to the one take. We're not going back. Right. Base coat. Why am I putting base coat on before a top coat? Well, if you have a shiny surface, a flat shiny surface, and top coat, which is also a flat shiny surface, inside and out, it can delaminate and it can wear at the tips faster, and it is just, look at me, pathetic. I scraped it all up and put it back in the jar. I didn't want to waste it. Ooh. And it took forever. Look at it. It's pathetic. You proud of yourself? You look at yourself in the mirror every morning knowing that you scraped up every last bit of chrome I put it back in the bottle. You piece of shit human. Anyway, right. So, some of them, after the base coat, I will apply a shiny top. And some I will apply a matte top coat too. Now, caveat. The matte top coat. Even though a matte top coat is fully cured, a matte top coat still has a dispersion layer or a sticky layer. It doesn't feel sticky, but it still has that layer that gets pushed out of the cured gel and sits on the surface of the nail. If you do not wipe really well your sticky layer, your chrome will stick to the matte top coat, even though you've given it a matte surface. And we all know chrome doesn't stick to matte, right? Well, if you didn't know that, you know it now. Chrome doesn't stick to matte, but it can. And it does on this nail. Why? Because I wanted a subtle gold, not a gold to match in with the other greeny gold hybrid mix. What's that word called? Marble chrome, ombre chrome that I did on the nails that I had the shits with. I just slapped it on there like any old business. Anyway, it doesn't matter. They actually turned out looking pretty good, actually. The ones I had the shits with, and isn't that always the fucking way? Turns out that the ones you have the shits with the most turn out the best. So here I am just making sure that the shiny bits are properly chromed, and then I'll take my finger and rub it in, and you'll notice that the gold will not go green completely, it'll go a goldy green. Am I making any sense? It'll go a goldy green. So when I take my pinky and do the wipe, the gold turns, see how it's got little bits of green in it? That's what will happen if your matte top coat still has a sticky layer. You can do it by accident, you can do it on purpose, but I like the effect because it still contrasts the chrome. This is another nail with a matte gold base and green on the top, and I removed the sticky layer on the gold, and you'll see that the chrome didn't stick. This is a green, solid green background and gold chrome on top. I'm using way too much chrome, by the way. Way too much chrome. Why am I using way too much chrome? Because it is fucking everywhere and you can see it all over my pinkies. Sorry, these are so quick, but it's pretty much the same shit, different nail. Use the top coat, put the chrome on, and then top coat over the top of that. If you have liked this exploration of insanity, please take a moment to give a YouTuber a hug and push the like button and subscribe to this channel. This is what our melee of chaos has ended up looking like. Using chrome, you can turn plain black nails into something amazeballs. And you can chrome on top of chrome, and you can chrome on top of chrome on top of chrome, as we know, because that was a trend last year, and chrome is back at the moment. So you'll be seeing probably a few more sets with chrome in it from me in the coming weeks. I am going to switch now to a view of these underneath a flash, and they are super sick sparkle, yeah. The last thing I will say about this set is make sure you are using your glitter top coat and glitter base coat. What do I mean from that? Have a spare bottle of top and base coat that you only use for glitters and for chromes, because unfortunately those bottles will end up with little bits of chrome in them no matter what you do. So until next time, you YouTube nail mother lovers, Have a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.